Hi everyone, and welcome back to the final morning report chart appraisal of today, Tuesday the 22nd of July. Going to look at gold as my final chart as usual. Trading gold is very difficult at the moment because it basically is just running on the geopolitical news. It does have a tendency to do this when events start to flare up, and it generally tends to only really go back to trading on technicals and just how market sentiment is when the geopolitical events calm down. So at the moment, we're still getting conflicting reports, and just with the news overnight that the separatists are calming down and beginning to allow access to the international community to the crash site and to also the black box recorders, and just generally being more helpful. That has taken a bit of the risk premium out of gold, and that means gold is starting to fall back again. I still believe that on a longer term basis, gold is starting to improve. I think if you look at the longer term indicators, momentum is, if I just zoom out slightly here, you've already broken this downtrend. That dates back to October 2012, so that's a positive. You're also getting support on a rising 144-day moving average, with the 55-day moving average also rising. That's a positive. These momentum indicators are more positive than they have been for quite some time in configuration wise, and that's over the past month. So yeah, what I'd be saying is just as the gold price starts to drift back, there is a basis of or a band of support now, 1280 up towards 1310. With obviously that reaction low at 1291.70 as well from that 144-day moving average support. So I think just generally that's about a $30 band of nice support in there, and I think that the market will probably be using that as a bit of a floor. I can't say exact trading within there because it's very difficult to say on an intraday basis with the events that are unfolding in Ukraine. But at the moment, I think there is a slight drift backwards, but ultimately, I think it will be bought into, as I see that the longer term outlook for gold is improving. On an intraday basis, it doesn't give you a great deal of help either. I mean, just that you would argue that maybe that recovery has just fallen over a little bit, but there is a band of support around 1305, also around that 1304, 1305 mark, also around that 1300 mark, and then obviously that reaction at 1291.70. So that's what we've got to go on there at the moment. But as I said, at the moment, I think we're trading on geopolitical news, which makes it quite difficult to predict. But yeah, anything like 1280 up towards that 1290, maybe 1300 mark, I think is probably a medium, let's say a medium term chance to buy on gold. Anyway, so I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.